Why is nobody talking about the Nigerian king of highlife, Chief Osita Osadebe? The Nigerian king of highlife pioneered the transformation of Igbo singing style into highlife. Osadebe's highlife combined the call and answer repertoire with a fast rhyme that stimulates dance. His music was solely for entertainment, earning him the title Doctor of Hypertension. As he matured as a musician, the theme of his songs shifted to social issues and some challenges he faced during his life. A very prolific composer, Osadebe wrote about 500 songs. The most shocking thing about him is that he single-handedly handled every aspect of his music production, from composing to live performances. This, according to Osadebe, was because of the lack of music producers and directors at that time. It was basically a one-man effort. He said in an interview, "I compose my songs, write the bass lines, arrange, write my lyrics, vocals, and conduct the band." Many of his songs, like one named Ebezina, Makojo, offers hope in the face of difficulties. One of his most evergreen hits, Osundi Owendi, showcased philosophical wisdoms enriched in Igbo proverbs. Tell me in the comment section one of Osadebe's songs that is your favorite.